The first part you're going to do is the back of the helmet. So it's this kind of a shape. It's hard to explain what that is. It's sort of like a backwards question mark. And then a circle in this area, and then another circle on the inside. All right, you're going to do a line that connects down to that circle from there, and then one that's going to come out and curves around. And then we're going to make a V shape to connect them. And this is the part that goes over the face, lying right down the center. And then on the bottom, you're going to do another little curve and a bunch of little short lines. This would be like where the vents would be, so you could get a little air in there. All right, we finished off most of the helmet area, and then there's like a collar. It's like a stretched out triangle, then a little rectangle on the top where you can add a big plumage.